Hey guys, we have something very special for you today. Intel is releasing its 10th gen desktop CPU and we've got our hands on a Z490 motherboard. Right here I have an ROG Strix Z490-A Gaming motherboard from ASUS, and oh boy, she's a beauty. I really like this white and silver accents on it. What do you guys think? Let's check out what else we have in the box. Here we have the manual, seemingly some ROG stickers, a keychain, 4 SATA cables, a RGB and ARGB extension cables, a thermal resistor. This is an interesting one. It's a fan holder for your VRM, some cable ties, a bunch of M.2 accessories. Oh, lovely. It's a DVD with all your drivers and software. And best for last is a thank you card. Thank you for purchasing this ROG Strix product. You've made the choice of champions. Sweet. Right, back to the board. This is a fully featured board for the upcoming LGA 1200 socket. The first thing that jumps into my eyes are the beefy heatsinks over the VRM. Together with the 8+4 CPU power headers, it looks like it will support a very hungry chip with a good amount of overclocking potential. Here we also find 4 DIMM slots for dual channel memory with maximum total support of 128GB. This board supports RAM with speeds up to 4800 MHz. But be aware, not all RAM is supported. ASUS does have a qualified vendor list on their website, so check it out. Below we have the 3 PCIe Gen 3 slots x16, 1x4 and 1x1 slots. Also we have 2 M.2 slots supporting basically any size drives. It even comes with a heatsink for one of them. Note that the first slot can be run in PCIe x4 or a SATA mode. There is another M.2 slot with a Key socket where you can install a Wi-Fi module should you wish to purchase that separately. On the bottom right we also find 6 SATA ports, so you're pretty set for storage. This board has 7 PWM fan headers, which is more than you would normally expect. One of them is for M.2 cooling and the other one is for VRM, to accompany that little VRM fan bracket. Of course, you can use these for whatever you like. Down the bottom, we find front audio, 2 USB 2 headers, front I/O, and oddly enough, it has a Thunderbolt header. On the right hand side, we find 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 headers, 1 Type-C and 1 Type-A. Both are 5GB versions. We also have 2 RGB 12V headers and 1 addressable RGB 5V header. On the back we find HDMI 1.4, DisplayPort 1.4, 2 USB 2 ports, BIOS flashback button, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 2.5GB Intel network port, and a full array of audio connections. This board also includes color debug LEDs, which is another sign that this board will be a good match for the overclockers. I'm looking forward to seeing this board paired up with the new CPU in the very near future. For more details and pricing, check out the link in the description below. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up and subscribe for more. We'll see you guys in the next one.